I'm doing a cheap versus expensive cheeseburger taste test to see what a $50 cheeseburger tastes like compared next to a $5 cheeseburger. It's a high and low experiment, kind of like dating meat, you know? You get the fancy meat and then you get the ratchet meat. We could talk about that later. For the $50 cheeseburger, I've got freshly ground wagyu beef, lobster tails, Gruyere cheese, gold flakes, black truffle, caviar, black garlic mayo, and a pretzel bun. For the cheap $5 burger, I've got good old chuck beef, sliced cheddar cheese, ketchup, and a sesame bun. First thing I'm gonna do here is form the wagyu beef patties. This is my first time. I'm really excited. Costs a lot, so it better taste freaking good. Now I freshly ground this by freezing the meat, slicing it up, and then grinding it. And I'm not gonna add anything to this. I like my burgers nice and simple. I think they taste best when you just season them with some salt. I'm looking at the size of my bun over there, and you wanna make sure to make it a little bit bigger than your bun. There aren't a lot of things that are bigger than my bun. Pinch the middle a bit, because when you cook burgers, the patties tend to rise up in the center. So if you do this, it'll cook a little more evenly. The pan is really hot. I'm going to salt and pepper generously on one side and drop that in the pan first. Hit the other side immediately with salt and pepper. Do not touch it. It's gonna form a beautiful sear, and then when I see the color changing about midway, I'm gonna flip it over. Now for the flip. And then at this point, I like to do the smash technique just a little bit, just one time. That's it. I'm not gonna spread out any more juices. That's it. Let that go for a little bit more. I like it medium. Cook it to your liking. At this point, the burger's almost done. I'm gonna top it with the cheese. Just like that. Cover it up. Let that cheese melt. Let's have a look. Okay. Immediately, I'll place this right here. Ooh, perfect size. Usually, chefs use tweezers to apply gold leaf, but I'm gonna use chopsticks because, you know. Yes, finesse, finesse, finesse. Look at it, look at that leaf dance. Why not? I went ahead and sliced up the lobster tail. I'm just gonna add that kind of in a circular motion here. I don't know how to shape truffles. I know chefs are cringing at me right now. Caviar. I'm gonna go generous with this. I love this stuff. I don't want to put a top on this. I feel like it would be an insult to this masterpiece. But I still have this black garlic mayo. All right, I'm just gonna smear the bread and then put it on the side. And very quickly, I'm going to make the cheap $5 burger. Same process with the meat and the cheese. Look at that, one of my favorite looking things in the whole world. Tap that right here on the sesame bun. Nothing fancy here, except ketchup. Unless you get fancy ketchup. Boop. And there you have it, the $50 cheeseburger versus the $5 cheap burger. I think I'm gonna go for this bad boy first. Not really sure how to approach this. Think rich, think rich, think rich. Really good. I noticed that expensive things smell a lot funkier, which is a good thing, I think. Wow, there's a lot going on right now. I'm processing. The beef patty is so tender and juicy with all that marble, that fat, right? The caviar, the lobster together, just like best friends. Reset the palate. Okay, this is what I'm used to. Automatically, the $5 burger. I don't even need a second bite. At the end of the day, this cheap ass girl loves this cheap ass burger. See you next time. Bye.